Unfortunately, we have seen a lot of cases where insurance adjusters or consultants are making untrue statements about restoration contractors, their scopes, their billing, their charges, and in some cases, bad-mouthing the restoration contractor. We've heard a lot of conversation online about tortious interference. Well, what is tortious interference? What do you need to do to prevail on a claim for tortious interference? Is it a good idea to even talk about tortious interference in the first place? Well, I've been very cautious on this. I've been studying the topic very carefully for many months now, and I've remained silent because I wanted to see how some things would play out in this particular fact pattern. And on October 10, I'm going to break my silence. We are going to conduct a restoration expert briefing on tortious interference. How does it apply? What would we do with it? And how can it be used to level the playing field and help to cure some of these injustices? If you're interested in learning more, please head on over to restorationcrosscheck.com/briefing. The briefing is going to be on October 10 at 7 a.m. Pacific Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. That's restorationcrosscheck.com/briefing. We hope to see you on the 10th. Thank you.